Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Become a YouTube star or vlogger. Popular YouTube stars make a ridiculous amount of money and advertising revenue. One viral video can lead to YouTubers becoming overnight stars and racking up huge amounts of revenue. You know one thing, to get started, you will need to decide on the type of video content you are going to produce. Some of the most popular niches include health, lifestyle, fashion, and beauty. Next, you will need to create your YouTube account and get to grips with understanding the platform, how to write titles, what content's popular, and how you can grow. It's important to note that although although some YouTubers become stars overnight, for the majority it takes years of hard work creating and publishing innovative content to build a serious subscriber base that brings in consistent advertising revenue. Many brands have also started paying YouTube stars influencers directly for promoting products, services, and this is another revenue source you can grow once you have a large enough subscriber base. Is it? So, thank you so much. Be happy. Take care. Thank you.